What's going on, guys? We're gonna go take the pickup truck out. The transmission hasn't been shifting the best. Don't know why. I had it built 480, which I thought it was built, but I don't know, maybe not. Maybe just a couple of years of abuse, I didn't like it. So we're gonna take it out and see what's the matter. It's not going into reverse. We're gonna see if that works, so that's why it's pulled in the garage. And we're gonna go see if it shifts into overdrive and see if there's any other problems. We have HV tuners and we're gonna go hook it up and see if we can't figure out what's going on. So, see you in a second. So as a courtesy, I always throw this thing into neutral. Usually it's pulled in. Back this truck up. Oh man, I might need a good push. You ready? There we go. She's going. She's going. There we go. Might be enough traction. Yep. We're going? Oh, we're going. We're going. I just don't know if it's gonna work. And I did not want to start up the truck while it's in the garage because the neighbors, I don't think they hate me yet, but I also don't want to make them too mad. I haven't fired the thing up in probably like a week because it's been acting funny and I live close to work. So, sounds good, sounds healthy. We're gonna see if the transmission does work. So we're in park, let's go to reverse. Stay engaged, I'll see what happens. So it did not work. The only reason why we're traveling backwards is because we're going downhill. So that obviously does not work. Oh, I left the garage open. Let me go close that. That was cool. That was cool. Let's go fill this bitch up. All right, let's let's go for a drive home. It does this sometimes. Race truck problems, but it's not a race truck, this is my daily. That is it. No more beating on this thing. And we're back. Thanks for tuning in, guys. Like, subscribe, and share, and we'll see you next time.